Hello everyone, welcomes back to my channel Ajay Digital World. I can suggest affiliate marketing, digital marketing tools, and also suggest the world's best websites to earn money online and the money making app also. I can share the world's best affiliate program that you can earn money online. To join, link in description box. If you interested, so please subscribe to my channel and stay with me. I hope you are enjoying the video and also implement this knowledge into your online journey. Today I suggest the best method of online earning, that is CPA lead. For more information, watch the video till the end. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, link in the description box. Please subscribe to my channel so I make more videos for you, and don't forget to ring the bell icon. I also create a playlist of 10 earning sites and an online money making survey site for you to check out the I button. Thanks. Let's start the video.
What is CPA Lead? CPA Lead is a private lead generation network that specializes in CPA, PPC ads, and smartphone CPI deals. We can provide marketers and publishers alike with unrivaled lead generation deals, PPC ads traffic, and CPI mobile app installs. You can join CPALEAD.com in two separate ways. 1. Publishing firms display ads. We deliver interstitial ads, native ads, push-up ads, banner ads, and pop-up ads that can be personalized. The visitor location and system for viewing targeted PPC and CPI ads will be detected by these show adoptions. If your visitor clicks an ad or a mobile app is mounted, you win. You can configure each display choice to exactly fit the mobile app on your website. Affiliate products for your promotion. We have over 100 affiliate products ready. Our affiliate products enable anyone to share a social media link and earn in minutes, no website or design skills required. All affiliate products are CPA Lead exclusive. Monetization by mobile use. CPI mobile app installs and our PPC advertisement solutions to improve your Android and iOS app sales. We also provide robust offer wall and content locking solutions, while our network is known for our mobile CPI and PPC pop-under ads, banner ads, and interstitial ads. Media purchases. For our media buying publishers, we have thousands of optimized and exclusive CPA offers from PPV, PPC at an unmatched payout. Through using our combined traffic volume as leverage, we're able to secure the highest payouts in the lead generation industry. We still have hundreds of affiliate goods, direct and exclusive. 2. The marketers advertising self-serve. Our CPA, CPI, and PPC advertising network self-service drives high-value mobile and desktop traffic to deliver CPA lead generation and install campaigns for the CPI mobile app. It just takes a few minutes to set up a CPA, PPC, or CPI campaign, and the approval process usually takes less than 5 hours. Please take a few minutes to sign up in order to get started. Global reach. With over 700,000 sources of traffic, millions of people connect month after month with deals offered by our CPA, CPI, and PPC advertisers for self-service. We will provide you the fills you need, regardless of which country you select. Low entry, low threat. We think that without getting the opportunity to assess our traffic quality first, no one can commit to a big CPA, CPI, or PPC advertisement budget. This is why only $100 is our minimum deposit requirement. We are assured that our CPI and PPC traffic efficiency will be respected by you. Device detection. For us, targeting is key because it is essential to you. Not only does our PPC advertising framework support country by nation targeting, but we also support device by device targeting. Both Android devices, all iOS devices, desktop computers, and operating systems are protected by this. Our in-house development team still works to help the market's newest devices. More on the CPA Lead program. We are a PPC and CPA advertising network that focuses on providing our mobile and web publishers and advertisers with the most possible value. Our advertisers are constantly searching for high-quality traffic, and our members are constantly looking for new ads and resources to monetize their traffic to the maximum advantage of it. 1. Weekly payments. There is only one job in our dedicated payment department, and that is to ensure that you get paid on time every 7 days. We never skipped a bill, and we're never going to. 2. Tools of the publisher. Our banner ads, native ads, interstitial ads, pop-under ads, content lockers, and offer wall technology are always enhanced for our publishers. 3. Reputation. In over 180 nations, we have paid out over $100 million to over 350,000 participants. We have won several awards, including the Inc. 500. Advertising self-serve in as little as 1 hour. Our self-service PPC and CPI advertising platform helps advertisers to start receiving premium traffic. 4. Program of referral. Refer your friend to their earnings and receive a 10% bonus. Without the support of our members, we will not be where we are today. 5. More incentives. We're not only going to pay you for the traffic, but we're also going to award you with trophies, badges, iPads, t-shirts. Earning was never that much fun at all. I hope you all really liked the video. Subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos. Don't forget to share and press the bell icon. Leave a comment. Good luck.